Hola, coach. What's up, guys? Welcome to another video with your boy Chance, rolling with the general squad. Keegan on the cam, Keandre at the back. So we are about to enter ProSpray AutoBody to come and collect the car, boys. Hey, you know you guys hate boys and girls now, so I'm gonna refrain from saying that a lot. But yeah, we're here. I don't know where the car is. Oh, it's there. Should I peep, or should we all just go, brother? I still haven't looked. I'm still looking at you guys. You guys just heard with Keandre.
Oh my god damn. Jeez.
Fishing.
Neo, is this your car? What the hell? Nah, dog, it's not.
Nah,
you.
this is sick, Mr. Moeen. Yo. Oh. Is this sick boy now, boy? Oh, guys. Yo. Come on. Come on. How are you?
Good man. How's it?
Keegan and Keandre. Boy, what? Mr. Moeen, what did you guys do now?
We'll blow over, we repair the bumpers.
Yeah.
And then obviously
A special treat. Yo, but it looks nice and clean.
sickness.
Too sick. So blow over, sunroof,
Near the
bumpers.
sunroof we need to get the
another arm.
mechanism.
The mechanism.
The arm.
Manual. Ooh, yeah, please on you for the knees.
Yeah, you can push it up.
Okay, but until we replace that,
This is what you came here for.
this is what we came here for, and look at it now.
Brand new, like,
Yo. And you guys also pulled out the rear valence.
yeah, the dent there.
Yeah.
We sprayed it.
But look at the fitment, my boy.
I haven't showed him yet.
You haven't shown them? Okay.
Oh, it's not keeping.
I don't know
Yeah.
if maybe we should. Should we?
I
Nah,
think-
not now, no?
I think you wait for the show.
Yeah. Let's wait for the show.
For the show.
But it looks so different.
okay.
Yo!
It doesn't look like that's the same car.
It doesn't look like the same car, dog. I don't think this is my car. FZ, is it?
It says it right here. Like,
Issue. Nah, yo, it came out clean. And the white. The paint job came out sick. Yo. Of course, with the nice banner. ProSpray, gotta represent, of course.
well,
Fitment.
put the gauges on.
Yo!
This is Jermaine.
Jermaine going. And it finally came through. 2.9 stroke. This is no child's play.
Yeah, this is no child's
Look at the
play.
branches, dog.
This is no child's play.
Yeah. And unfortunately, why they can't make the show. Fortunately. Oh, is it going to make the
Here
show?
versus BMW is now now.
Oh, yeah. So this is for the video. Jermaine, see you. Let's do the aisle.
The next day.
Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to another video with your boy Chance. Yes, guys, today is media day for Jermaine versus JAP. We were invited for media day. I'm trying so hard to refrain from saying boys and girls because hey, I've been getting bashed for saying that a lot. I know I say it a lot, so yeah. Hope you guys are good though. Right now I'm waiting for my boy Keegan, meeting at Regina Mundi once again. Yes, guys, just waiting for the boy. The car's just parked over there with the big surprise. I don't know if I should show you guys now or this might be a video for after the big reveal. I don't know, but I won't show it now. Or should I? I don't know. Maybe. We'll see. But yeah, guys, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel while we are still waiting. But yeah, please do that, guys. Subscribe to the channel. Please go subscribe to my boy's channel as well, General Productions. My boy is doing the most, guys. So yeah, please go do that. And then yeah, let me wait for him. I'll show you when he gets here. And then yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Okay, let me give you guys a teaser. I won't show you much, but just look at the thickness of the car. And yes, boys, we have mud flaps on, so now it's looking more mean. Let me just pop. Okay, I gave you guys a pop, but yeah, Shout out to Jermaine for giving us another prestige number plate holder, because to run that number plate on the window there, he needs this prestige holder. Until I get a small number plate, and then I'll be able to run this. Let me show it to you guys. To run this prestige number plate holder. So yeah, huge shout out to Jermaine, guys. He gave us 2 prestige number plate holders. Jermaine is a G, guys. But yeah, that's a teaser, boys. Let me give you another. Okay, done.
Much later.
Guys, you won't believe the miscommunication that my boy and I had. So I just called him now, and he says he's at the Sasso near Nesbank, and I'm here at Regina Mundi. So now I have to rush all the way there. But yeah, I'm gonna meet him up quite soon. I'm not really far. That's also not that far. So yeah, I'll update you guys later on when I get there. So yeah, sure.
Few moments later.
Look at what my boy pulled in with. Oi, Ghana, now they're bashing me for saying boys and girls. So,
Oh, you say boys.
so sure,
Sure,
guys.
boys. Are you boys? Boys and girls? Boys?
With the boys, media day today. Just walking around now, getting nice shots of the cars before the main event. So yeah. Back to Roller. Some cars are covered, waiting for the main event. Is this not a dream? Thing looks boosted, boys. Look at the air duct. M3, boys. This is sick. I like media day, dog. Like, not everyone's passing through.
And you passing through.
Lineup of Makwans. Oh, this is a nice Corolla. Kentucky Rounder, boys. This is so nice and clean. Makwans. Super nice. Mr. Emmanuel. Aren't you gonna surprise us with something? I know you were revealing your car today.
Huh?
Aren't you gonna show us something with the car? I know what you did with the car.
Talking about this?
I'm talking about that. Ooh, freshly bagged, boys. This thing is sick, Emmanuel. Oh, this is nice. Oh, and the sound. I know the sound. The sound is flipping crazy. The bros just detailing the car for tomorrow. It's looking so dope, boys. So dope. I like the contrast of the blue. Well, the brake drums. My boys. I'm gonna pop your ears, guys. This is sick, dog. Otherwise, are you good? I'm nice, bro. Yeah, boys. Some people aren't playing games. Piper. This is clean, though, yo. Preserving the cleanness. Look at how white it looks, boys. This is so clean, so clean. This is a nice ambience, though. Oh, is that a fish? Oh, yeah, it is a fish. You guys see that? A nice clean Mark 6 on bags. This is also so beautiful, boys. Oh, this is so nice. Guys, I don't want to lie. Media day is the best. Not that I don't want you guys at the event, but like, there's no interference for like vlogging. There's not that much noise. Of course, some people are playing sound with the cars, but like, you can freely walk, capture some nice content for you guys. So no, it's really dope. It's really dope. Clean Mark 3, Mazda 3. Listen to me saying Mark 3 and a T3. The wheels look like Alpinas, but yeah, but these are nice. Super unique, super clean, super dope. Our boys hard at work. Our 9 to 5, Bafanas. Yo, Askis Malume. Of this wheel, that's clean. Like, what is it from? Is it like a almost like a BBS type of wheel?
I think it was just like powder coated.
Color matched.
I don't think it was color matched.
Yeah, not really color matched, but same color. Yeah, but it looks dope, yo. This car looks sick, dog. Ooh, what do you guys think about this livery? Lacoste on a Polo. Very unique. Mark 1, half cage. Oh, full roll cage even. With the NO2 tank. This thing's probably pushing a lot of power. 666 Jetta. And look at the boot, guys. This is unique. Air bear. How do you do that? Teddy bear. Oh, look at that 10-inch sub on the bear with the tank. This is a nice install. Nice, clean, very unique. Sick car. Another Kentucky Rounder. I remember my boy Temba had this car, boys, a 160i, and that thing was nice. I miss that car. Miss it for my boy as well. Another T3 Yaris. On bags. Car. Polo. With the Renault Clio wheels. Okay, boy. Okay, boy. We see you, boy. Golf 3. Is it a Golf or Cabrio or 3? A nice Polo. A lineup of Corollas, boys. On Emmett. Damn, this is dope. This is dope. This is dope. In the hood, we call them the devs. My dude over here detailing the beautiful car. Nice whip, bro. So sick. The JDM squad, no? Yeah. I bet you this car is probably static. The way it's so low, it's probably static.
You know who is this?
You wouldn't be surprised.
That's Neo.
This one, the white one.
What? The man with a yellow.
Yeah, I know.
I
Stilo.
was building this for.
Yeah. For. Sure. But this is a nice thing, no? It's like I like this.
The flake in the paint.
The flag. Like the whole, like, sort of livery, Toyota service. Yeah. Like that Japan feel. Yeah. This is sick, yo. This is hella dope. Clean Polo on bags. Hey, when? Hey. Stop it. But this one is like a BBS, but it's so similar. But it could be like a cap, no? Yeah. This is proper nice, dog, yo. Love it. Clean CT Golf, boys. Okay. A3 two-door. This is the bagged T. Is it a T5 or T6? Not quite sure. I don't really know my VWs quite well, boys and girls. Sort of for saying boys and girls again, nice. Before I get swallowed. This is clean. This is so beautiful, boys. Oh. Nah, this is flipping dope. I love it. Guys, please comment down below. Are these the envelopes? Or is the envelopes like the C class? Because I think this is an E class, right? Please comment down below and tell me if this is the envelope or what. Not sure. Stock Mark 1. Nearly looks like a rabbit, but it's so sick. The ready spec. Yo, never seen this one before. Yeah, you'll see jewels here at German vs JAP, boys. Cars are so sick. Another diff. Toyota Corolla, boys. This is nice. This is so clean. It's nice to see that people still preserve these cars, boys. Like, they are so clean. Corolla Sprinter. Club Sport. It's hella dope. Two-door E30 with the E90 wheels. Conquest, boys. With the, is it the Run X? But stepped wheels. Yo, this is so clean. Very unique wheel. I like it, bro. The Smurf. One of the guys from Equipped Works. This car is so clean in person. I've seen the pictures of it. So clean. But in person, it looks so fire. Daily stands. Is that Suli? Is that Suli that I hear? How's it, Suli? Yo, get away. Yo. Yeah.